Today, I'm pleased to discuss a new topic with you, which I have put together as nested sort. I'm quite pleased to say that I was privileged to be the first person in the community to speak about nested sort. The link to my earlier video in this regard is on my bio. Do have a look, and then you would see. A few months after I did, my very good friend Kevin Flerad raised the conversation around the same topic. And I was quite pleased to see how far what I did was helpful. Okay, one of the things about the nested sort is that instead of sorting by one measure or by one dimension, you can sort by three different measures. For example, you have referred, number of referrals that were enrolled, converted, and then the percentage conversion. So I could sort, right now it's sorted by referrals. So you see the black symbolizes referrals. So you could go by enrolled, and you see the orange or yellowish, orange, whatever that color is, signifies enrolled. So you see that yellow, it follows the yellow trend. And like manner, if you want to go by conversions, then 100, it should actually follow the 100 trend. Okay, so you can check that out, why that you have that experience. Okay, how did we do this? There are two simple steps. The very first simple step is you're going to create a parameter. So you're going to create a parameter, so create parameter. I have already done that, and you have it right in here. Yeah, you create the parameter, and then give it a name, referrals as a list, enrolled, converted. Exactly the names you have right here. Take note of what you used here. Okay. Now you're going to create a calculated field. Yeah. I have created that already, and it's right in here. So you're going to say case, the parameter you created earlier, when referrals, one of the names you had in the parameter, then count referral ID, then this one. When enrolled, then enrolled students. And then when percentage conversion, then conversion. All right? Okay, that. Now, once you've done that, come into this dimension, which is the referral source. Right click on it, yeah, and then sort. When you sort, go to nested sort. Use discerning, but then in this field name, you're going to pick up the field name you want to use, which is field sort by, the calculated field you had earlier on created. Once you do that, you can come right here, referrals, enrolled, and converted. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.